Ever find yourself frustrated with that annoyingly high ping issue while playing Call of Duty on your iPhone? Well, fret not, I've got you covered with this advanced guide to fix that pesky problem once and for all. Let's dive in. First things first, before we jump into any fixes, make sure your internet connection is up to snuff. If it's shaky, you might want to give your provider a ring. Solution 1. Check internet speed. Open up your favorite browser, then head over to fast.com. There, you can check your internet speed. If it's crawling along, it might be time to have a chat with your internet service provider. But if it's chugging along fine, then let's move on to the next steps. Solution 2. Toggle on airplane mode. Swipe down from the right side of your screen, then flip on airplane mode. Give it about 30 seconds, then turn it back off. See if that smooths things out for you. Solution 3. Adjust data settings. First, pop into your settings. Then, tap on Wi-Fi. Then, hit the little I next to your connected network. And make sure the low data mode option is turned off. Then, head back to the main settings page. And tap on Cellular, then Cellular Data Options. Toggle off low data mode and see if that does the trick. Solution 4. Switch up your data connection. Swipe down from the right side again. If you are on mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi and vice versa. Give it a whirl and see if it helps. Solution 5. Reset your network settings. To do this, head back into Settings. Then scroll down to General and tap on it. Then tap on Reset. From there, hit Reset Network Settings. Then punch in your passcode and let it do its thing. Once it's done, hopefully your ping issues will be a thing of the past. And there you have it. Hopefully, these fixes have you back in the game with smooth sailing. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in.